Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create headers and footers with Elementor Pro. This is a powerful way to design custom headers and footers that appear across your entire WordPress site, giving you complete control over your site's branding and navigation. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll access the tools needed to build your custom header and footer designs. Once you're in, look over to the left menu and click on Templates. From there, select Theme Builder. This is Elementor's dedicated space for creating site-wide elements like headers, footers, and other template parts that define how your website looks and functions. Now hover your mouse over the header option. You'll notice a blue plus icon appear. Go ahead and click on that icon. Or alternatively, click Add New. This action opens up the interface where you can start designing your custom header from scratch or choose from pre-made templates. Here's something important to note before you proceed. To actually create headers and footers using this feature, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include theme builder capabilities, so if you're still using the basic version, you'll need to purchase a Pro license to unlock this functionality. Once you've upgraded, you'll have full access to create stunning, fully customizable headers and footers that match your brand perfectly. And that's it. You've now learned the initial steps to access Elementor Pro's theme builder and start creating custom headers and footers for your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.